Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use WPS Office app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open your WPS app on your phone. If it asks for permission, tap Allow so it can access your files and storage. This helps WPS open and save document properly. On the home screen, you will see a tab like Recent for open files, files to browse, storage, and tools for extra features like PDF, Word, Scanner, and more. To create a new file, tap the big plus icon, choose what you want, Word, document, Excel, or presentation. You can also tap a file to open or edit. Use the toolbar to change font, size, color. When you are done, tap the save icon to save your work. You can also tap share to send it by email, WhatsApp, or as a PDF. And that's how you use WPS Office on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, or like, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.